Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school software from your laptop. First, always back up your important personal files to an external drive or cloud service before beginning any major software removal. Next, check if your school provides a specific uninstallation guide or has an IT support team that can assist you. It's important to understand that some educational software might be deeply integrated into your system, requiring careful steps for complete removal. The most straightforward approach is to use your operating system's built-in tools. For Windows, navigate to Add or Remove Programs in your settings and select the software you wish to uninstall. If you are using a Mac OS device, simply drag the application from your Applications folder directly to the trash. Always remember to restart your computer after uninstalling any program to ensure all changes are properly applied and finalized. After standard uninstallation, residual files often remain. Manually check common locations like program files, app data, and user document folders for any leftover school-related data. For a more thorough clean, consider using a reputable third-party uninstaller tool, which can often detect and remove hidden files. However, exercise caution when deleting files to avoid inadvertently affecting your system's stability or critical operating system components. For the most complete removal, especially if the software was deeply integrated, you might consider reinstalling your operating system for a completely fresh start. Additionally, verify that all school-related accounts, profiles, and browser extensions are fully removed from your device. Finally, perform a full system scan with trusted antivirus software to ensure no malicious components were left behind, giving you complete peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.